Last time I done this, it was a very legal and careful ride. Today I've got my confidence back and I don't give a f***. Move, bitch. Got places to be, don't we? Well, everyone does, I suppose. Oh, I've got the... Oh, this is mad. Yeah, I've got the DJI connected to a receiver. Didn't even look. Nice. Brake skidded. Nice. So yeah, it's plugged into a receiver. It's connected to it. You're going to pull over, aren't you? Of course you are. Didn't even indicate. And that's plugged into a handy recorder to actually record it on there. Still GoPro, ND8 today, less on the sunglasses. But I've also got a secondary DJI mic in a towel wrapped in my backpack, so hopefully that will capture some noise. Oh, thanks. That's worrying. What am I going to do here? Alright. You're on your phone, ain't you? Oh, I knew it! Dickhead. What do you mean I've gone the wrong way, dickhead? I'm not going to cut you off, don't worry. There's going to be a lot of filtering today. I'm going all the way to bikeshed. I didn't even mention that yet. Oh, I feel like an idiot now. Intro's fucked. Anyway, thanks for watching. Try again. Sorry, they're going to fill up that junction before I even get there. I'm going to be fuming. Don't know if I got space to go past. I nodded, you dickhead. Come on, I don't want to be too illegal and just stay in the other person's lane. I want to be somewhat legal. Stay in my lane. Telephone. My telephone. That was red, mate. Can't see around the bend. Oh. No, you're looking. Thanks. I need to see Matt. The mission for today is to see Matt with this Super Duke. He had that Super Duke when I had my Z900. We needed a reunion. That was a bump and my bike skidded. We need a reunion with the new bike. That is the mission for today. I think Aussie's coming, Chris is coming, which will be nice because I haven't seen them in a while. Just ran over the newspaper. I can't go over it. I'll go around it. You're not coming. Oh, something in my eye. Fuck. I feel like I had a monster. I need a monster. Oh shit, I should get a monster. I need petrol. So when I'm going to get monster is after I got petrol. Same shop. Sweet. Pretty much taking me the exact same way it took me last time. I'm not waiting for you lot to turn right. That'll do me nice. I'm going this way too. And that's my lane. Surprise, mother. Is that second or fourth neutral? Second, sweet. So there are loads of ways you can get into bikeshed from here. Usually maps does take me straight up on the A3, get into Wandsworth, go across London. Recently it's been taking me this way, which I don't know what the road is, but you do a couple of squaggers and get to Clapham somehow. Or is it Brixton? I don't know. I do go through Clapham, but I think I do go through like Stockwell, Brixton. And it's just a straight road until like Central. And of course in Central nothing's straight. You can stay in your own lane, bruh. Camera might be a bit like chilled out. I've got stabilization on, hyper smooth. Well, it's like that inbuilt stabilization, so it shouldn't be too jiggery. Where's your indicator? And yeah, that did say that with a J. Yeah, go for it, mate. Go for it. What am I looking at? 57 minutes. I did leave later than I wanted to. Pretty much 8 o'clock I'm going to get there. That's mad. No, we need to cut that down. The only way I can cut that down legally is just by filtering wherever I can. It's safe to do so. I did leave later than I did last week. I thought the boys argued at the same time as last week. I lied. Because I left later. This is where I almost ran over someone who's trying to run across the road because they were jogging. Quick glance, ran across the road, realised I'm actually coming, registered there as a vehicle. Can we do something? Fucking hell. I thought he was going to filter through the left. Oh, hello doggy. Going straight on this one as well so I can come behind this Donny. They're all going to turn left. Whoop, whoop, pick a lane. Oh, you have picked a lane. Shit, I did not notice that was a roundabout. What a weird place to put a roundabout. Are you going for it or you're not? What even am I? Fuck you looking at? I don't just want to start randomly overtaking everyone. That's not like my kind of riding. If there's space in front of me, I will use it, but not in a stupid way. And I don't just want to do that basically with people. And go to the most narrow part of the road and stop. Donut. Oh, 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 oh. We're gonna go for it. There we go. My man said. You're really gonna try and overtake the cycle. Oh my god. People are idiots in this place. I think at the end here is where I come to like Clapham. Yep, Clapham Common South Side. Try and get through London as easily and as sort of, to be fair, mainly safely as possible. Oh, and my fan's kicking in. Great. Oh, yeah, go on then. Oh my god, I'm gonna stay here forever. What I did last time, I went down the left of those cars. I don't think I'll be able to do that this time. Where's my neck tube? Oh my god, my neck tube ain't even on. Oh, it's my neck, not even me. Just hope I don't lose the mic. Yeah, I think I can feel it with my mouth. Got it clipped onto the wires of my cardio mic, so it shouldn't go anywhere. Yeah, my small displacement bike, displacement bike, need to go because I'm still overheating. Yeah, slightly different way, but something took me to do that left turn and then wait, yeah, it did take. I don't know why. I ain't doing it this time. Okay, now we go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was stupid, wasn't it? Oh. Wow. Well, you need to be in your own lane. I'll go switch lanes because there's no one coming. Hello. There we go. Oh shit, that's 20. Oh my god. I have a feeling there's going to be quite a strict one as well. I guess this one I just have to take it chill on this road. Mate, you got cafes and pubs in the weirdest places. You got flats, someone's driveway that's been turned into a bar and kitchen. Last time I had so many people nod at me is when I was in like Essex. Well, right, here's the debate. Bishop Stortford is not Essex, so I hope Kevin's watching. I worked in Saffron Walden, which was Essex. I lived in Bishop Stortford, which was not Essex. It's the edge of Hertfordshire, and I'm sticking with it. So, basically every single day, I woke up, got in the car, get out of Hertfordshire into Essex. So I spend most of my time driving around and not living, most of my time in Essex. In that kind of area, everyone nods. Just because I guess most of them know each other. There are not that many bikers around to guess who it is. Oh, it's taking me down High Street. Oh, no one coming. I'm going to go this lane. Is the bus trying to merge as well? Please don't merge into me. You are merging into me. Well, I'm coming this way then. Don't run. Okay, cool. I thought someone was going to run across the road. I don't know why. Yay, we're in Brixton. Oh, I can use that. Sick. Going straight ahead for 2 miles and then get on the A3. Sweet. At least I missed out Streatham. That was the main thing. Usually I do come this way, so it's not brand new territory. It is for this guy who's fucking just stay in your fucking lane. Or don't come straight towards a motorcyclist when they're in their own lane. That's Infinity somewhere here. Yamaha and Infinity. Can I see it? Can I see it? Can I see it? Up. Bum, bum, bada, bum, bum, bada. Hey, yeah, it is. Of course it's shut. Everything's shut this time. Which is why we're going to the Central. You're across the road already. Oh, yeah, run. Yeah, that's a good thing to do. That's a smart one. You know, in hazard perception, when you're like, you're thinking like, why would I have to go slowly past a bus, sorry. Oh, because there's a large vehicle. That's not the actual reason. The actual reason is because everyone in London is an idiot. And yes, they will step out in front of a bus because they can't see. So yeah, they'll just be going along their way, being like, yeah, I'm crossing the road here. There's something in my fucking eye. And yeah, hope for the best. Bunch of idiots. Oh, I'm stuck in here now. I have to do a little cheeky I'm going forward when this lane turns left. But there's a bus lane. Oh, hey. Can't wait to catch up with him again and go around him. Just you know what? Just don't put it in reverse, please. Oh, that was the cyclists. There we go. Come on. That way I didn't cut anyone off. I don't know where the cameras are. Apparently none. Here's that bike. Monkey, I think. I think that was a Honda Monkey. I've never seen one in action. I've seen them at like Super Bike Factory and whatnot. Stockwell Station. Why don't you just close it? Ain't that hot? Great. These are the idiots I have to... Oh my god. Why? Just to get to Lidl. Oh, that's the shard. A million miles away. I don't know if I can use the bus lane. I have been able to use every single one till now. Da 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 da. No one come in. Perfecto. Job. That's a perfect place to park up. Where the fuck did you come from? What is happening? There was a fucking leaf flying towards me that scared the shit out of me. That is actual 20. How ridiculous I'm meant to go through. I am going through entirety of London like this. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. The motorcyclist behind me, that moped rider, is not in the bus lane. Am I not meant to be here? Or he just can't use the fucking signs? Oh, there's something in my eye. Da 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 da. I'm gonna go to bikeshed and spend the next 30 minutes trying to get something out of my eye. Beep 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 beep. A23. Oh, that's what I'm on. Wom wom. What is happening? I'm not with it today. Don't go, don't go, don't go. Thanks. Good. Hello. Oi, I gave you plenty of time as well to, what, ignore me? Oh, I missed that. Hey, 400 scrambler! Twins! Yeah, I'm not doing that. Yeah, there is a bus lane, motorcycle in that. Looking up. It's still red. Oh, I don't even know what I want to do. Tolls. I don't have tolls. What am I doing? No, just go straight. Go straight. No, no, don't accept it. Oh, fuck. Anyway, the route has changed, boys and girls. Don't be a dick, 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 don't be a dick. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, you are a dick. I know the way more or less from this kind of area. I know that I don't need to be in this lane, I need to be over here. But I can snooze you lose. That'll work for me. Thanks. Yeah, let's sit in traffic, that's great. Why can I not switch gears? Come on. I'm in neutral. Why am I neutral? I just fucking pulled forward in my gear. Yeah, beep him. Beep me as well. Oh fuck. I need to be in that white car. I'm not going to cut off that white car again. But I do need to be behind you. Oh, of course, you're going to cut the white car off. Or me. No, you were nice. Okay, fairs. Oh, he liked it. He like it. There we go. Shot's bigger. I might be getting to the right place. This is where my bike got cloned. The 650. The plate of it. This is where they parked it when it got found. Cool. Because they parked in the wrong place. Otherwise they would still have that number plate probably. Nor did I park on double reds. Twice. Quite a stupid way of getting caught with it, but I mean, I'm not complaining. Turn right. Are you sure? No, I want to go this way. I've already gone this way. I never went that way. I don't like that way. Oh no, it doesn't even tell me to go this way. Oh, I can do this. Yay. No, I can't. Light's red. Why is the boss just... Why did I just go over cardboard? Why is the bike just parked there? With no steering lock? I mean, yeah, that's a fair point. Are you going as well? I'll go somewhere then. Come on, lads. No, I can't go anywhere. Wah, 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 wah. Drop it, dum, dum, blame up. Drop it, dum, dum, blame up. Beep, beep, I'm on a bicycle. Can we go yet? What are we waiting on? Oh my god, I failed to pass police. What's going to happen now? Bro, they don't care. They could have pulled me over right now. They won't. It's in my eye again. Are you on the phone? Ah! I hope it's not going to be super overexposed. London just looks so grey, to be fair. Like, everything's just grey, concrete. No colour. Ah! Tower Bridge. Oh yeah, you go left as well. Switch to the left, switch to the left. Yeah. I'll go for it. Yeah. Oh shit, what is that on the road? Oh my god. Oh, you're naughty, naughty. I'm coming with you. Whee! Yeah. Where are you going? Come on lads, come on lads, come on lads, come on lads, come on mate, come on mate. Do you want to push? Alright, is it all? Oh yes, past 7. Of course. Oh yeah, my front brake does nothing. What the fuck? Why is my front brake doing nothing? 13 minutes. Oh yeah. I feel out of place. I don't belong here. You're welcome, mate. The engine brake sounds so good. What are you shouting? All you have to do is go forward, 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 forwards, forwards. More forwards. Oh, you're trying to stop. Okay, Fez. Oh. Sorry, mate. Didn't see you there. Well, I can't be doing that, so you won, I guess. 10 minutes. 1 mile away. Am I that far? Still. EC3. What the fuck? Oh, Liverpool Street. Bishop Gate. Oh, okay. Do. Oh, cyclists coming. Right, I'm coming after you, because... I did not clock that was police just chilling there. No. Oh, that bus is smoke. Jeez. Oh. No. Dun 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 dun. Surprise. Well done. You just gotta stay calm. Be prepared. Right, the left lane. Can I sneak through in the middle? A bit naughty to do so. But I will sneak in here. Anyway, everyone else will as well. Boom. Boom. Come on, you don't have to go that slow. Go, everyone else coming here? Of course you are. Ah, the lane moves with it. Sweet. So no one's cutting off no one. I said no one's cutting off no one. Oh, I know where I am. About time, but yeah. This road's going to have traffic on it anyway, so I can just filter. If there is space at bikeshed for me to park, which I hope there is. What are you doing there? Well done. Oh my god, there's another fucking fly in my eye! Thank you, mate. You alright, buddy? Good? Yeah, not bad. Right. Where's everyone else? Hello. Cheers, buddy.